Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your VW Passat door. The most common and easiest way to open your Passat door is by using your key fob. Simply press the unlock button once to open the driver's door. If you need to open all doors, press the unlock button a second time. This will unlock all passenger doors and the trunk, making entry quick and convenient for everyone. Sometimes, your key fob might not work or its battery could be dead. Don't worry, you can still get into your Passat manually. Look closely at the driver's side door handle. You'll usually find a small keyhole. Insert your physical key and turn it clockwise to unlock the door. On some models, you might need to gently remove a small cap to expose the keyhole. Once inside your Passat, opening the door is straightforward. Simply pull the interior door handle firmly towards you. For rear doors, always check that the child safety lock is not engaged, as this will prevent the door from opening from the inside. Some Passat models feature a two-stage pull, where the first pull unlocks and the second pull opens the door. If you're having trouble opening your Passat door, consider a few things. In cold weather, ice can freeze the door mechanism. Try gently wiggling the handle. Also, check the door latch for any obstructions that might be preventing it from opening or closing properly. A completely dead car battery can also affect the central locking system, so ensure your battery has some charge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.